I trapped 5 people in a room filled with pepper, and the last to sneeze wins $1 million, the narrator announced excitedly. I can't feel my face, but I need that money, one contestant said, determined. Another contestant struggled, muffling a sound. Let's spice things up, the host said mischievously. The host turned on a fan, threw in onions, and sprayed perfume everywhere, the narrator described excitedly. One guy sneezed so hard he fell over, the narrator said descriptively. You're out, the narrator exclaimed dramatically. Confetti and dramatic music burst as others panicked, narrated with exhilaration. The host joked, Congrats, you just won $1,000. Try not to sneeze on it.